Hey guys, welcome back. So let's start with our very first section of the course, complexity analysis of algorithms. There are two critical things when we think of designing algorithms. First is the correctness of the expected output, and the second is time taken on various input sizes. The whole idea of this course is to make you aware of various design techniques of algorithms from these two perspectives. So in this section, we will discuss complexity analysis in terms of time taken by an algorithm to execute, ignoring all the computer hardware factors. First, we will discuss the various notations and then the techniques to analyze the algorithm runtime. Our focus mainly will remain on big O notation for worst time complexity, means time taken by an algorithm in worst case scenario. So big O is widely accepted notation in the industry to analyze the algorithm. So let's start the section from next lecture and try analyzing pieces of code and blocks. So see you guys in next lecture.